Do you have a dashboard for your SaaS business or just personal project? I do. And I'm going to explain why I think a dashboard, no matter what you do, is good to have and why. Stay tuned. Why have a dashboard in the first place? It's a good way to see a lot of information in one spot. So if you want to sell your business, for instance, or your SaaS company, you can show buyers all the information that they might want without having to go dig through a bunch of different analytics and other dashboards like Stripe and Google Analytics, for example. It's also a good way to keep yourself aligned with what you want to do and see where you need to make changes in your business or SaaS. So the only downside really is it takes time to build, and you might have to kind of do some workarounds to get the information that you want into your dashboard. This is my dashboard for my SaaS. So I set it up pretty straightforward. I have the month here as well as the payout, like what I really want to see. Amazing 73 cents currently. And then here is payouts versus refunds, which this is just me. So it's whether it's one for $1.06 and then obviously no refunds. And I have promo codes, so these are what discounts are used. All this is hooked up through my Stripe and also Google Analytics. This is my Google Analytics information here. And then the locations of where people are coming from. I'll probably change this, but for just right now, this is kind of what is interesting to me and what I think would be important to use for when I want to sell my SaaS. Okay, if you want to build something similar to mine, you'll need Stripe, Google Analytics setup, as well as Google Sheets and Looker Studio account, which is all of that's pretty simple to set up. You will also need a piece of code that will hook up your Stripe to your Google Sheets because they don't connect natively. I don't have a full tutorial. This isn't meant to be a full tutorial, but if you check out my website, which I'll talk about here in a second, then I'll add a little blog post explaining how to do this, and I'll have a code snippet as well that you'll need to hook everything up. Alright, and then like I said, I'm regularly updating my website, briangatchel.io. So if you want to stay up to date on the most current projects as well as become a member and support these projects, I appreciate it. And yeah, just follow my site and you can keep up with everything there. And feel free to like, comment, and subscribe. You know the deal. And thank you for watching. Goodbye.